we going?
What's up? What's good? It's my show.
Asif for the first show. It's incredible. Extremely proud of you. You came so far. And like, look at you, dog. And now you're about to head back to New York and turn it up and just take the outline to the next level. It's incredible. I have a shot for you and all that good stuff. Congratulations.